So I'm going to do some example solves with Bob the Giraffe Monkey's no-flip clock method. If you don't know how this method works, I would highly recommend you watch that video first, just so you know how to do the method, and then I'll go through my thought process in doing this method. Just a disclaimer, I'm not very good at clock. I rarely do clock, and I only do this when I do it because it's fun. Some people, well, a lot of people would say that this is slower than the normal clock method, but I enjoy it, and yeah, I would say learn it anyway if you want to have some fun. So you need to, if you haven't watched the tutorial, you need to get 5 numbers. Well, you have to do 5 calculations for 4 numbers. So the first calculation is the difference between these two starting at the top. So 7, which 7 and 4, I just think that goes around 3 anti-clockwise. Weirdly, anti-clockwise is positive, but that's how it works. So 3, and then difference between this starting here, 3, 4, add them together is 7, but that's actually minus 5. So the first number is minus 5. The second number is the negative of this, so minus 5, and then here is minus 4. So, wait, what was the first number? Yeah, minus 5, minus 4, and then the difference between this and this starting here. So minus 5, minus 4, minus 5, because you're going clockwise, 5. So minus 5, minus 4, minus 5, then the difference between these is 0. So minus 5, minus 4, minus 5, 0. Then the last number is this minus the difference between these, so that's 4 minus 0, which is 4. So minus 5, minus 4, minus 5, 0, 4. Minus 5, minus 4, minus 5, 0, 4. So you do the first number on here with this pin up, so 4, and then you match the middle with that, then this pin up to match with that, these 3, this pin up, match with that, and then first number on here, so minus 5, and then match with that edge, then minus 4 with this pin up, minus 5, minus 4, minus 5 on this one, that happens to match it up, nothing on here, and then 0 is the last one, so nothing, and that up, and it's solved. I'll do another one. Okay, so here I've got 6 there and 4 there, so that's minus 2, because it's 6 plus 4 is 10, 12 minus 10 is 10 minus 12 is minus 2. So minus 2, then minus 4, minus 2, minus 4, minus 5, minus 2, minus 4, minus 5, 0, because that's the difference between them. So minus 2, minus 4, minus 5, 0, 3, because 3 minus 0 is 3. So minus 5, minus 4, minus 5, minus 4, minus 5, 0, 3. So you do the 3, and then match them, then you match them, and you make 3/4 of a cross. Then you do minus 5 here, put that up, and then match with that, then you put that up, minus 4, then you match with that, minus 5, minus 4, minus 5 again on this one this time, and match with this, match with the bottom, and then 0 was the last one, so 0 on it here, and then solve. That wasn't right. It's harder doing it slowly because I normally memorize it in 10 seconds. I'll do all the calculations in 10 seconds, then I'm off, instead of doing a whole minute spiel about it. One more. I'll do this one like how I'd normally do it in a solve. So 5 minus 4, 5 minus 4 minus 5, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I messed the corners up. But I got all the numbers right. So yeah, that's three. There are 3 example solves. One of them was a DNF, granted, but that's how I do the no-flip method, as invented by Bob the Draft Monkey.